Hello again everybody. This time we have a nice double oval 5-pin union. That's about all we can say about it. It's definitely got some spools in it, I think. Just hedging my bets there. So here's the bitting on the key. So not too bad, and does work. All locked up again. So let's give it a go and then we can see what we have got inside. So we're starting at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just sort of starting to bind but not really doing too much. 5. Right, we've got a click out of 5 and a very slight movement on the core. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is solid. 1. Right, we got a little click off, very tiny little click, and then we hit 2. I think that's dropped. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5 still solid. Right, there was a click on 2. 3, not really doing much. Likewise with 4, 5, 5 may have dropped. Just feels solid now. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2. 3's gone loose. 4. That was me slipping off the pin. Right, we've got to click off 4 that time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is solid, 4 is now solid. 1. Right, big click on 2, but I think that's probably overset. Let's see if that's let it drop. Yeah, that's dropped again. 3. Not getting anything out of 3 yet. So 5 is still solid. 4's still up there. 3. Right, we've got a click out of 3. 1 still springy, 2 still springy. That was me dropping off the pin again. Right, that's 3 solid, 4 solid, and 5. Still nothing on 1. Still nothing really on 2. Right off an attention, and 3's now gone up another click. And 4. So we've got 5. Went up a click as well. Tension wrench slipped. Hopefully we saved it. 1, 2, 3's right up, 4's dropped. Right, nice click on 4, and 5 had dropped. Right, click on 5, and we've got very slight movement on the core. 1, 2, 3, and we've got a better full set. We got anything on 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, right, 1, so 2 solid, 3, there we go. There was 3 just hanging up, that took longer than it should have. But I don't think that slipping the tension wrench really helped. So let's get the vise out of the way. Get the pinning tray in. And let's have a quick look, see what we've got inside here. So, being a union, we've got this funny pin in here. That's that, dropped out quite nicely. And there we go. So get that to the top, and I have a new tool from Foxy. So that should sit in there. Needs a bit more. That's it. Hopefully this should come out. There we go. Just stand that to one side for the minute. So I don't know if you can see. I can get this to focus. Counter milling underneath. All 5 chambers by the looks of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what pins we've got. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4, 5. And as you can probably see, this is quite mucky. I had to give it a bit of lube because it wasn't plain ball. So this will all have to get cleaned up before it goes back in. But all these key pins are also tapered on the top, similar to the way the Rucos are. Right, where's my other tool there? So in you go. Right, that's not going to work. It must be a different size. Yes, it actually feels fractionally smaller than the standard. Right, let's see if we can do this and get them in order. Right, there's the first one. So that's number 5 is standard. is standard. 3 is standard. 2 is standard. And 1 is standard. That is a shocker, because I was definitely getting some counter rotation at times. May as well give these a bit of a clean up. That's gone there. So, like I say, the only thing really is the counter milling on the core. Can we see that? And the tapers on the top of the key pins, as you can see. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.